Y'all already know what's going on, gang. Today we install halo headlights. Oh, Sirski. Today's the day the headlights get installed. Finally, gang. Finally. Talk about a front end facelift. It's gonna be a real front end facelift. No cap. You will not be seeing these ugly halogen headlights no longer on the F30 gang. Because today we're going to install them. Let's get it. Alright, gang. We at Will's spot. I'm not gonna record me taking off the bumper because if y'all seen the in-sport conversion video, y'all already know the front bumper. Y'all know how I take it off, how I put it back on. So I'm not gonna record the bumper. Only thing I'm gonna record is when we get to putting the lights on and changing them out. So when we get to that point, that's when I'm gonna catch back up with y'all and let y'all tap in. So let's get this bumper. All right, y'all. Got the bumper off. New headlights are ready to be installed. We finna remove the old ones first though. I'm about to remove these. I believe there's a screw up here. And then back here, there's a screw down here. There's one up here. And I think there's one more. One up there, one here. I don't know, that might be it. So let's see. Let's try to get this one out. Let's see. Finally. Ugly halogen. These look so OEM. All right, we gotta beat the rain. I'm out here taking up Will's time. But y'all see the progress we're making here. Alrighty. Both sides are on. Finally, gang, we got the halo headlights installed. Y'all go ahead and check out the F30. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Yo. Nah, this is crazy. This is just the DRLs right now. I just got it set on to the DRL mode. So this is how it's gonna look like, you know, when we ride throughout the day. I got the tail lights on, stay on during the day, and I got the DRLs to stay on during the day. And man, it looks so good. Let me throw on the regular headlights. Show y'all what it looks like at nighttime. Just so y'all can see how it really would be right now during the night. Oh man, it looks so good, y'all. And y'all can see we got the LED bar up here at the top. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. The F30 is coming along, y'all. Oh my god. So as y'all seen the install earlier, it's not that hard of an install. The most time consuming part is taking off the bumper and putting it back on. When you get to already having the bumper off and everything, is 4 screws. It's 3 T30s, one on the top, 2 on the bottom, and then it's a 10mm bolt that's like in the side and the back. Once you get all those screwed up, everything back in, everything plugged in, you Gucci. These DEPO headlights are simply plug and play. So you literally just take the old one out, plug the new one in, screw it on, and plug it in, and you are ready to go, y'all. So this is the new look, new facelift. Stop fucking playing, man. Stop playing with us, gang. Tell them stop playing with us, gang. Tell them stop playing with us, gang. The F30 is looking beautiful. I just got some pulls in with a 335. I might make that a separate video though. I'm not sure yet, but that was wicked. But anyways, gang, new headlights installed. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. We getting ready for the wrap, gang. All we need to do is to grab the side skirts. But this is a mod I was waiting on for so long. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm stuck on it. Like, I'm sorry I just keep showing y'all, but I'm stuck on this, man. But anyways, gang, gonna wrap this video up. About to go catch the game. Got some fantasy players playing tonight. Y'all know how that goes. Got the install done. I appreciate everybody that's tapped into the channel, gang. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you rock with the headlights. Easy installs. You already know how we doing it. Easy, quick and easy mods. No, it's not that quick. It's not that quick. It's not that quick. Appreciate y'all for tapping into the video. F30 looking beautiful. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, gang. Let's get it.